Hello guys and welcome here. So in this video we are going to talk about the COUPNCD function inside of Microsoft Excel. So this function returns a number that will represent the next coupon date after the settlement date. So for the purpose of this function we will require 4 arguments. So once again we will require the settlement date, the maturity date, the frequency, as well as the basis. So once again, the settlement date will be the security's settlement date, which is the date after the issue date when the security is traded to the buyer. The maturity date will be the date when the security will expire. The frequency, once again, has to be either 1, 2, or 4. So either annually, semi-annually, or quarterly. And for the basis part, it goes from 0 to 4. So if we want to write the function, how exactly is it going to work? So pretty simple. What we need to do at first is just write a write an equal sign, and then we can write down COUPNCD, and we can open up a parentheses. So first step will be selecting the settlement, which will be the settlement date, in this case the 25th January 2021. Then the maturity, which will be the maturity date. In this case is going to be the 10th November 2021. Then the frequency. As you can see, you have a choice between annual, semi-annual, or quarterly. In our case, we're going to select quarterly. And finally, you have a choice between the bases. Let's leave it at 1. Once it's all done, we can just close our parentheses and we can click on the enter button. And just like that, we know that the next coupon date after the settlement date will be the 10th February 2021. So this is how you use the COUPNCD function inside of Microsoft Excel. So as always, if you like this video, don't forget to leave a like, to subscribe, and see you in another of my videos.